Ini rambut aku BTW udah panjang banget, kayak very long ya guys. Tapi ya, thank you giftnya. Making beat for boring dumb bitch fucking gnarly. Kalian udah makan belum guys? Aku sih lagi makan nih sambil nunggu kelas. Oh my god, my hair rontok banget ya guys. Jealous of my mansion? Pagi atau siang, tergantung jadwal. Yeah, the view is fucking gnarly. Aku tergantung jadwal kuliah guys. Kadang pagi banget, kadang kayak agak siang. Tapi most of the time kayak ya udah jam 9. Lihat deh. Healthy banget guys. I'm looking towards healthier lifestyle. Jadi I ate cereal. Jadi for breakfast aku makan yogurt granola. Thank you so Sally. Can't wait. Ini cewek atau cowok ya? Cici Koko. Xie. Aku angkatan 23 BTW. Makanya this year aku bakal magang. Gila, jelek banget aku sekarang. Aku baru bangun tidur, selesai mandi, dan aku belum makeup. Siapa yang mau ke Jepang? You? Congratulations. Ini sunscreen. Morning anak sekolah, morning COVID. Apakah kamu sudah makan? Aku lagi makan. Aku makan yogurt sama granola. Thank you Sans giftnya. Yogurt, granola, sama honey. Dan ternyata kenyang juga guys. Pantas orang bule kenyang ya. Soalnya sarapan kayak gini udah bikin kenyang juga. Hello. Aku agak look under the weather because I haven't used anything on my face other than sunscreen. By the way, kayaknya bulan depan Chelsea, aku nggak tahu sih. Ya, aku tahu dia UPH, tapi kayak dia anak Ilkom bukan anak perhotelan. Because I ate very slow. I cannot eat fast. Last time I tried to eat very fast, ends up choking on the food. That's why I ate slowly. Can I get a kiss? And can you make it last forever? College grade. Are you college grade? It's a wrong sentence to ask people, but the right way should be, are you in college? And the answer is yes. No, I'm not in college, honestly. I'm in university. College and university are two different things. So I'm not in college, but I'm in university. I'm on my second year. Oh no, it's almost my third year, honestly, because it's very less second year. Aku udah mau senior. Aku udah third year. Paling sore, I think I pernah pulang at jam 10 malam. 10-11 malam aku pernah pulang jam segitu. Itu beneran ada kelas, guys. Jadi waktu itu ada libur, jadi ada kelas pengganti, so gotta go home very late. Oh my god, this shit's so good. Kuliah berapa tahun? Seharusnya di UPH tuh 3,5 tahun, guys, kuliahnya. Hello, Godskin. Hello, Okian. Aku baru join meeting kelas, guys. Online tapi nanti offline. Hello, Rimuru. Oh ya, dia kuliah jurusan apa? Aku nggak tahu kalau jurusan perhotelan bisa jadi pemimpin bank or not. Hai po, hai, hello Ning Ning, hello. Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. Ni man hao. Rambut aku udah panjang banget. Jadi aku kayaknya mau potong rambut bentar lagi. Jujur aku agak kenyang sih, guys, makan, karena kayak too much texture going on. Tapi ya, kita habisin. Keren dong. Semoga aku bisa kayak kamu keterima di BCA. Semoga aku bisa sukses jadi rich auntie. Halo Kaizen. Ini dong guys, sawer aku guys biar kuliahnya semangat. Udah mandi, ini rambutnya masih basah. Nanti kuliahnya online. Terus nanti jam 1 baru offline.
Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. The camera must be on at all times in Ma'am Sandra's class, online teaching and learning. Yeah, as long as Ma'am Sandra turn on my camera, so are you. You know me better, right?
Sorry ma'am, izin dulu
Yes.
bentar, saya lagi di toilet, gak apa-apa.
Oh, harusnya kamu sudah siap. Kalau di toilet berarti
Oh.
absen. Ya,
Aduh,
jadi Rafael Justin
bentar,
saya hitung absen ya. Kalau tidak
Aduh,
siap,
jangan,
karena
Ma'am.
udah jam 9.15. Saya tepat waktu, Anda juga harus tepat waktu. Apa yang berlaku untuk Anda, berlaku juga untuk saya. Anda mau job training kan Rafael ya?
Aduh.
Ya, kalau
Iya, Ma'am.
kalau tidak bisa on kamera sekarang berarti absen. Itu aja. Mau job training kayak gini, mendingan saya bilang Pak Jimmy biar nggak usah berangkat job training. Karena di job training itu susah ya. Ini kamu on kamera, kalau di toilet juga nggak pantas ya, Rafael. Gitu.
Ya sudah sebentar ma'am.
Lalu pakai seragam ya. Hari ini absen dulu, Rafael Justin absen. Ya, udah earn 1 cross. Nah, ingat, hari ini kita ada 2 sesi, betul? Ya, besok 2 sesi lagi. Masih untung 4 sesi kita dipecah menjadi 2 bagian, 2 hari. Ada kelas lain yang 4 sesi 1 hari. Banyak malah ya. Oke, jadi setelah saya lihat ini yang ada wajahnya ya, saya absen. Karena saya masih hafal. Remember, Ma'am Sandra, once I remember your face and your name, I won't forget till the rest of my life. Bukan begitu, Irene? Yeah. Ya. Oke, Michael Antonius Benawar ada. Make sure kamu pakai seragamnya appropriate ya, from the waist up. Saka ada? Saka?
Ada, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you. Matthew Wirajaya.
Hadir ma'am.
Thank you. Margaret Intan.
Hadir, ma'am.
Thank you. Livina.
Hadir ma'am.
Ya. Gabriel Johan.
Hadir, ma'am.
Oke, thank you. Evelyn.
Hadir, ma'am.
Ya. Tadi Rafael udah saya panggil dan tidak siap ya Rafael, jadi Anda cross dulu hari pertama. Jangan cross lagi, sesi kedua pun tidak boleh cross. Ya. Oke, Graciela Trivia.
Hadir, ma'am.
Thank you. Angelina.
Hadir, ma'am.
Thank you. Jedija. Ini kenapa Jedija di kulineri ya? Ada nama Karensian Jedija Putra di kulineri.
Di
Padahal,
Ardi ma'am.
kenapa Michael?
Dia pindah ke Ardi.
Ah iya, I know kenapa namanya ada di ini. Nggak apa-apa deh, berarti dia salah kelas ya. Rafael Kevin. saya panggil namanya 3 kali ya, kayak di airport. Kalau panggilan ketiga nggak datang, ditinggal pesawat. Ya, Rafael Kevin Sucipto. Ini panggilan terakhir untuk Rafael Kevin Sucipto. Gak ada ya, saya cross. Vincent.
Hadir, ma'am.
Thank you. Irene Michelle Josephine.
Hadir, ma'am.
Thank you. Tai Suki.
Present, ma'am.
Thank you, Tai. Oke, Rafael Justin udah mandi belum, Rafael Justin? Kan Bono?
Udah dong, ma'am.
Mukanya kayak belum.
Waduh,
Ya.
udah, ma'am.
Wajahnya nggak kelihatan bedanya udah mandi atau belum. Berarti Anda kurang merawat diri. Ya,
Waduh.
jadi harus lebih merawat diri sehingga terlihat lebih fresh. Oke?
Oke, ma'am.
Ya,
Oke.
hari ini 2 sesi berarti absennya 2 kali. Ya, jadi Anda cuman saya cross 1. Ya, tapi selanjutnya Anda juga harus on cam. Bukan berarti
Yo.
di cross selalu boleh off cam. Ya, kecuali
Oke.
Anda mau di cross 2 kali.
Udah jalan.
Kalau Anda mau di cross 2 kali, langsung off cam aja nggak apa-apa. Ya,
Langsung.
tapi data absen Anda sudah habis. Begitu. Nanti Anda akan bergaul di job training, apalagi di luar negeri, apalagi di Bali, di Jakarta, atau di Karawaci sekalipun. Kalau Anda job training, ya Anda akan bergaul dengan orang yang berbeda dengan Anda. Betul?
Tuh.
Nah, sekarang kalau sama saya saja kurang menghargai, ya, apalagi dengan orang lain yang sangat berbeda dengan Anda, dari suku, agama, golongan, pendidikan, tingkat sosial. Itu bagaimana? Kan Anda tidak hanya bisa menghargai tamu tanpa menghargai rekan kerja. Dan Anda tidak bisa memilih rekan kerja. Ya, nggak bisa milih bos. Kadang-kadang bos Anda malah pendidikannya jauh lebih rendah dari Anda. Tapi karena pengalamannya puluhan tahun, Anda harus nurut sama dia. Nah, itu bagaimana caranya? Kalau tidak dibiasakan dari sekarang. Ya, dan jangan bilang mem nggak bisa lihat ya siapa yang off cam, siapa yang on cam. Kelihatan semua dari kontrol saya. Ya, jadi kalau Anda on cam, kalau dipanggil mem on cam, begitu temennya ngomong off cam, karena capek ya on cam terus ya. Kan kalau on cam harus on point. Capek juga nih mem, kuliah sama mem Sandra on cam terus. Ya, itu mem akan absen at the end. Nanti at the end of the course, mem akan bilang, jadi saya yang cross adalah ini dan ini. Itu misalnya. Ya. Tuh, jadi Anda harus on cam at all times. No matter what happens. Jadi mem Sandra tidak bisa terima alasan koneksi saya jelek, 1. Nomor 2, laptop saya rusak. Nggak bisa terima. Berarti Anda tidak siap. Ya. Listrik saya mati. Nggak bisa terima juga. Pokoknya gimana caranya harus on cam. Oke. Mari kita mulai dengan melihat jadwal. Let me share my screen to you. Anda F&B service hanya 15 orang, betul ya? 15 orang yang bukan dong, 14 orang. Karena Jedija kan Ardi. Ya, lalu tadi tidak masuk Rafael Kevin Sucipto, tidak masuk hari ini. Nah, nanti sesi kedua. Kenapa? Tadi saya panggil nggak ada, saya panggil 3 kali nggak ada Kevin. Jadi cross sekali. Kedua Rafael cross 1 kali. Ya, nanti sesi kedua saya lihat masih bertahan apa enggak. Mem, dibandingkan semester 1, karena Anda mau job training dan saya mau semuanya jadi best training, Mem akan sedikit lebih strict and more discipline. Karena saya maunya kamu lulus apa enggak job trainingnya? Maunya apa? Lulus kan? Job training berapa SKS, Michael?
Kenapa, ma'am?
Job training berapa kredit? Berapa SKS?
Aku lupa lagi, Mem.
Loh, kok lupa? Job training itu SKS-nya paling besar dari semua mata kuliah, yaitu berapa, Vincent? Aduh, kamu
Iya,
nggak
Mem.
care ya sama SKS? Berapa? Evelyn? Siapa yang tahu dari kelas F&B service nih? SKS aja nggak ada yang tahu ya? Halo? Livina, berapa SKS job training? Saya mau bilang sama Pak Jimmy, kayaknya F&B service tidak siap, Pak, untuk job training. SKS saja nggak tahu. Berapa?
14 bukan, Mem?
14, ini ngarang. Ya, betul sih sampai belasan. Oh, I'm sorry, Thai, do you know Indonesian language by now? Or I have to speak in English?
It is better in English, ma'am.
Okay, I will speak more in English then. Sorry, Thai, I forget about you. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, do you know how many credits is the job training? Oh, but Thai doesn't need to go to job training, ya, Thai?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try.
Yes, you just say in UPH doing some hack, yeah, entrepreneurship program. But the job training is, but the credit is the same time with the job training, the hack program and job training, which is how many SKS? How many credits? Everyone, please.
15 atau 16, Mem.
No, darling, no. Ayo. It is, betul sih 2 digit, belasan, yes. Ya, it's 2 digit.
12, Mem.
Yes, it's 12. 12 credits. 12 credits one semester. Can you imagine if you got B or Bravo? Your GPA will fall down. Yeah. So at least how much score have you got to still floating or become increasing? Minimum. Naka?
The score, ma'am.
Yeah, the GPA. Is it A, B, C? Will you be happy if you get B, Bravo, for 12 credits?
No.
No, why?
The score is on the minimum.
Yeah, it will drag your GPA down if you got only B. Yeah, so how many score minimum will you have to get for your job training, Margaret?
Ma'am.
A is
Iya,
the
benar,
best.
12
And
SKS,
please aim for A. Yeah, minimum you got A minus. A minus, but it's still, dissatisfaction to get A minus. So to get A is not an easy task. You can ask your senior, there are so many mishaps and failure. Yeah, because you cannot work together with your coworker. Yeah, you get rough comment and you get, homesick easily. You cannot stand the rude people in the hotel. There are so many stuff actually will be happening and out of your control. Now you're in school, yeah, we prepare you to get ready to face that hardships. Understand, yeah? That's why we're being strict. And you cannot, if we start at 9:15, of course you'll have to be ready at 9. Yeah? So, who is the leader of this class? This F&B class? The leader is?
Aku, Mem.
Okay. So, Michael, as the class leader, he showed responsibility. Yeah? He asked, Ma'am, where do we meet? Yeah, MS Teams still in configure, and he keeps reminding me. Yeah, nah, it shows good example, but I hope Michael will be consistent, show a good responsibility in the future, not just now. Ya, itu. Nah, so you have to prepare yourself, actually manage yourself to fulfill the expectation of hotel people. And it's not an easy job. You may see that hotel people are friendly, smiling here, smiling there, but actually they are full of discipline. Okay, got it ya? Okay, so now I will show you the schedule. Why you cannot be absent ya, even once. Nah, can you see the schedule? We only meet for today, and tomorrow. So 1 week, 4 meetings. That's why today, we'll meet for session 1, 2, and then tomorrow 3 and 4. Itu udah 4 minggu, 4 weeks already. That's why next week is your midterm test. If you see the number here, you see the green one? Next week, it is 8 week. That's why you will have your midterm test, your first midterm test. Got it? Just ask me straight away, because we have very limited time due to your job training. Nah, you have heard IDX? Pernah dengar IDX program? Udah pernah buat?
Udah, Mem.
Nah, good, Livina. Thank you for your nodding, Jadi kalau Mem tanya itu dijawab. Nah, nanti week 7, which is next week, Anda akan mengerjakan IDX in the classroom with me, karena next week kan on-site. IDX sertifikatnya lumayan kan? Bisa buat tambah poin. You can add points from IDX certificate. And then next week kan ketemu Ketemu, nanti saya jelaskan lagi. Karena ada tugas secara grup. Nah, hari ini kita mau ada break atau enggak? Langsung aja, Mem. Jadi 9.15 sampai 12.55. Pasti selesainya nggak persis jam 12.55 kok. Don't worry. Karena hari ini kan saya harus jelasin RPS dan bab 1. Karena sesi 1, sesi 2. Besok sesi 3 dan 4. Gitu. Ikutin aja nomornya. Makanya kalian nggak bisa absen. Tadi sekali ya udah, one cross for both Rafael. Tapi selanjutnya jangan absen lagi karena ada nilai par atau participation. Nanti saya jelaskan di RPS. Sekarang tentang jadwal dulu udah jelas? Apa ada pertanyaan? Kuning hijau udah paham belum? The yellow and the green. Paham ya? Oke, saya stop sharing jadwal saya. Nah, sekarang saya share RPS. Apa itu RPS singkatannya? Gabriel, apa singkatan RPS? Apa ya, Mem? Apa Gabriel Johan?
Rencana pembelajaran semester ya, Mem.
Excellent. Yes, thank you, Gabriel.
Yes, Mem.
Okay. Let us see RPS. RPS or course outline. It's like a contract between you and me. So you know that I'm following the path, the right path. Jadi nggak ngelantur, ke kanan, ke kiri, nggak. The coordinator of our course is Ma'am Ira. Yeah, and the lecturers for this course are, nah ini course description, Ma'am Ira, Ma'am Sandra, and Ma'am Anna. Yeah, you can read on your own because it's in your Moodle. I already uploaded in the Moodle in introduction. Ya, okay. What are we going to do? Coba dibaca. I would like yang baca ya, Angelina. Ikut. Ini apa sih?
Yang study material sih, Ma'am.
Yes, tunggu ya. Ini mem kena. Nah, course topik aja, course topik.
First topic, Introduction to Hospitality and Tourism Business Ethics, Understanding Ethics, Defining Business Ethics, Ethical Dilemma, Organizational Ethics, Corporate Social Responsibility, Corporate Governance, Blowing the Whistle, Ethics and Technology, Ethics and Globalization, Making it Stick, Doing what's right in competitive market.
Ya, jadi itu adalah subjek atau title from the course discourses, ya, chapter. Lalu learning methods or strategies, coba tolong dilanjutkan, Margaret.
Learning methods or strategies. The first one is lectures and class discussions, delivery of theoretical materials through face-to-face lectures, class discussions to deepen understanding and application of concepts. Number 2, case studies, analyzing case studies from real situation in the hospitality industry to apply management theories. Group discussions on solutions under communication. Number 3, group project assignments. Group project assignment for business ethics and presentation of project results. Number 4, independent learning and reading. Reading literature, articles, and textbooks related to management. Assignment of reading and reviewing additional materials.
Okay, so thank you. Yeah, please continue reading it, Kasiela.
Form
Forms
of
of assessment.
assessment. The first one is mid-semester exams, UTS. It is an online test. The second one is final semester exam, UAS. Presentation of book chapter review, project group assignment, and activities case study review.
Yes, ya. So as you know, nanti kita lihat assessmentnya berapa percentage-nya, ya. But the book I already give Michael to be distributed. Have you got all the book from Michael? Yeah, yeah. Not every chapter from the book is used. Yeah, you'll see the subject is here. Only these some subjects. Okay, and then let us see here. The assessment. Don't worry about the CLO one. Now, this is the most important one. Why? Because next week you already have case study. Yeah, 20%. It's from ACT. And then look at the highest score is from PRO. PRO. PRO means project. Yeah, because you have to write paper on hospitality and tourism ethics, a case of problem and ethical aspects to solve the problem. Have a look at week 14 until week 16. Ya. Nah, week di sini bukan benar-benar 14 week, ya. Kamu lihat tadi penjadwalannya. Ya, berarti nomor 14 dan nomor 16. Oke? And then for UTS, answering multiple choice questions in Moodle, week 8, which is next week. Yeah. And then UAS review and presentation of the book chapter, week 9, which is 2 more week. Correct? Yeah, it's an express course. Yeah. Any questions about this assessment? You have to understand fully. Ya, jadi nggak yang cuma 4 guru. No questions? Shall we go on? we have all the times in the world ya, karena ini sampai siang saja. Nah, sekarang saat ini ya, kita sedang melakukan week 1. Lihat di sini ya. Introduction, core syllabus, learning contract, plus the student participation in class. Nah, ini kita lagi sinkronus ya. Lalu setelah ini kita akan melihat ini PPT tentang understanding ethics yang sudah ada di Moodle kalian. Nah, I do expect to have a very actively involved class. Jadi, so you're not silent. You, jadi, so you're not silent.